So now what I'm doing is wiping off the tubes so that they're not sticky or oily. And this.
Wow.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Hi guys, so today I'm showing you how to make lip oil, and the first thing I do is sanitize my hands in my work area. It's very important to stay sanitized, so don't skip that part. By the way, I'm filming for TikTok and Instagram, and follow me if you're not following yet. And guys, please don't forget to wear your gloves. We of course need to be as hygienic as possible. So the first step we need to do for our lip oil is of course measure out our oils. If you own a business and you want to sell these lip oils, please make sure you do your research about the type of oils you want to use. Next, we're going to use a little bit of Versagel. This is totally optional. You can also only use oils, but I like to use a little bit of Versagel in my lip oil because it makes it extra smooth and hydrating. And also, if you plan on using pigments, I highly recommend to use a little bit of lip gloss base, because if you're only using oil, the pigment tends to fall down to the bottom of the tube. So now it's time to mix it well till everything is combined and it looks something like this. It's now time to add the pigment, and I'm adding 1 drop of red. I was going for a very light pink kind of sheer color, but it turned out a little bit darker than expected. You're gonna see at the end. Mix it well, and it might take a while, but don't forget to mix in those little clumps of pigment. And as you can see, the color is coming through and it's getting darker and darker. This is the end result, and yes, this is just 1 drop of red. Now it's time to suck in the lip oil into the syringe. And as you can see, there's a lot of air in the syringe, so I had to push it all out. Little tip, tilt the bowl a little bit and it should be a little easier to suck in the oil into the syringe. Once you got that, it's time to fill the tubes. And it's pretty easy, just push the oil into the lip oil tube. And remember to not fill it up to the top, because you need a little bit of space for the stopper and the wand. I'm gonna let you watch me fill the rest of the lip oil tubes. And this is what the oil looks like in the tube. It's a gorgeous pink color. It's not exactly what I was going for, but it's actually really cute. And yes, there are strawberries in the tubes. I'll put them in off camera. Now the last part is to put in the stopper and the wand. And thank God nothing spilled out, since we left a little bit of space for the stopper and the wand. And this is what the final product looks like. And the only thing left to do is to wipe the tubes with some rubbing alcohol. You want to make sure that the tubes are not oily and not sticky, and it's a very important step. Not me being clumsy. So yeah, these lip oils will be available on my site soon. We just need a name, so if you have a name for this beauty, let me know in the comment section below. So guys, we've come to the end of the video, and I wanted to take time and say thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Let's keep growing, guys. Subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you again, and have a nice day.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all.